What's up, team, and welcome back to the channel. Coach Avel is here with another update on Tesla, guys, and you're going to want to hear this one, and it's not going to be a good one. So check this out. We talked about this on the weekend. We know that we are in a downtrend, guys, but this is what happened. Okay, this is on the weekly level, guys. We have a rejection that is almost identical on week 3, guys. And if you ever wanted to see what head and shoulders looks like on a weekly candle, there you go. You got it. So now I am going to target 269 for my bearish sentiment, guys. This is not getting easier for Tesla. And I want to show you a couple things that are just standing out on the regular chart. All right, so here we have the 2-hour chart, guys, and let's start with the good news for Tesla. So Tesla is looking like it has a small chance, guys. This is a small chance that they can continue upward from here. What I don't like, guys, is this trend here. They're continuously rejecting and they cannot get past that trend line. So Tesla, to me, is looking super, super bearish. Now, can they bounce from there? Absolutely, they can, guys. Okay. This is what I want to see from Tesla. If Tesla can get past this old resistance here, guys, okay, which is previous to the beginning of the day, okay, they have to get past this 324 area. And let me get this back on. Okay, 324 area, guys. They got to get past this. Okay. Now, the bad part on the daily for Tesla is that we had a Fibonacci rejection, guys, from the top of this candle. If we come down, okay, they cannot get past this area, and this is not looking good. Now, let's take a quick look at where Tesla can end up by the end of this week, guys. Okay, we have this here. Okay, this entire gap. If they cannot come back up, guys, they're going to lose it. And it's not going to be good. They will be down here at the 303 area. This is bearish. So I started a bearish position with Tesla, guys, already. Okay. I've been around Tesla for a while, guys, and this chart does not lie. They are not looking healthy right now. All right. So let's take a look at the regular chart, guys, on the weekly. And there's some things that stand out here for me. Okay, the first one is I do not like this candle here, guys. Okay, I do not like this price action. Check that out. They are pushing it down, guys. They are pushing it down and keeping it down. So this here potentially can turn into a reversal hammer, guys. But remember, look at the body of this red candle. And look at this candle before it, guys. So this is a general area. I know people draw support and resistance lines. And remember, these are general areas, guys. You're never going to get it exact every time. But Tesla needs to stay above this if they want to stay bullish. Again, I don't like this here, guys. And again, they need to beat this area. Okay, we talked about the 324. And then I think they can make it back past the 330, 335 area on their way to my previous target that I set up, guys, which was the 348. But this is not looking good at all. Again, this reflects exactly to that channel. Okay, Tesla is in a very, very bearish downtrend here, guys. And last on Tesla, guys, if you ask my mentor, he's going to tell you they're in a disjoint channel, which means there's going to be a reckoning down, guys. All right. Now, the rest of the market is looking the same, guys. So let's take a look at NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA has been super bullish, guys, and everybody's loving on NVIDIA. Now, they are in a similar spot like Tesla, guys. Check this out. They have this general area where they keep resisting and they can't get past it. Now, they found support here, guys, and then they found support again in the same general area. However, guys, they are in a downtrend and they can't get past this resistance downtrend. So for now, I think NVIDIA is going to continue to trend down. If they can't maintain this area here, guess where they're going to go to, guys? And it's going to be a nice little fall, but I tell you right now, you better be ready to buy the dip. Now, let me show you something else that tells me they are getting bearish. If I throw my Fibonacci on there, guys, check that out. They are in the golden zone and they are having trouble bouncing off that golden zone. And that's what you want to see. If they're going to remain bullish, they have to bounce off of here, and they're not doing that. All right, now let's take a look at the weekly, guys. Same thing here, okay? All-time high, and of course, every time they get an all-time high, guys, what do I always tell you? Okay, they are going to trend downwards from that all-time high, and you can see that they had an all-time high here, and of course, they did the same thing, guys, and that's trend down. As a matter of fact, they trended down a lot, but then recovered and brought it right up to here. So same thing if you look at every candle. So this is showing me that they could potentially stay down. Now remember, they've been going up for months. So an actual retracement here would be super healthy for NVIDIA. Given all those facts on the chart, guys, I'm giving you a target on NVIDIA for 172. Okay. And this is going to be the path we will come across, come up a bit, and start rejecting down, hit the target, go past it, and come back up. And of course, we will retrace down to the 169 area, guys. I think that we have more of a downfall, but I will keep you posted, guys. I think 163 might be the actual bottom before they come back up to a new all-time high, and I will give you that number right now. If you go click like, guys, and subscribe, I will hook you up. All right, team. Once they are done with all that mumbo jumbo, okay, I expect NVIDIA to go to 181, guys, and then go all the way down to $50. I'm kidding. And of course, it will continue all the way up, guys. I'm going to leave you a link here for the video where I'm calling NVIDIA out in 2026 for $230. That's right, guys. That video has been out for a while. If you would have watched the video, you would have been making some cha-ching for months now. All right, guys. And if you hung out this long on the video, I am going to give you a bonus swing trade. So now we have MU on the chart, guys. So I'm going to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's start with the good part, guys. So on the Fibonacci, guys, we have a nice support area that they are establishing here, guys. And you can see that they've stayed in the golden zone quite a few times here. Let me show you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 days where they're remaining in the golden zone, guys. Okay, now the part that is going to be super important, guys, is that they need to get above this super resistance area, guys, and it's almost like a little box that they're drawing. If my lines would just stay on the chart, it would be great. So it's almost like they got a little box they're in for now, guys. And you know what? It happens sometimes. And when they break out, guys, it's going to be a nice breakout, whether it's to the downtrend or to the uptrend, guys. Now, let's take a look at the weekly now. And we have another bullish area here, guys. Check this out. They found support on the weekly right in here. And then they build a higher support, which shows that they are starting to become more and more bullish. And if I was to create a trend line, guys, this is exactly where you want to enter on MU. Now, I am going to give you a little piece of advice on a typical stock. This is what I would do, guys. But for this one, I'm going to tell you, I want to see them get above this body here, guys. So I want to see one candle close. Okay, one candle. I want to see. Let me give you my best candle ever. Here you go, guys. I want to see one candle close right above that line, guys. If they close above there, guess what? I'm a buyer. That's just me, guys. This is me being supportive, creative, and bullish. So make sure you understand anytime you enter a stock, guys, you need to understand where your support is at. So if you knew you had support right in here, right, you're going to get into the stock once it bounces off of there. Or you can come way to the bottom, guys, when they had a super bottom, and you can say that I will jump into the stock once I see them hit that line. Nope, not that one. That line, and then head upwards, guys. Okay. So you have a couple of choices here. My recommendation is wait till this goes above 112. You're not going to miss a lot if it starts taking off. So for the meantime, guys, I will give you some targets here for MU, guys. But remember, you have to wait for it to get past this 112 area, guys, maybe the 114. And then I can tell you that your targets are going to be 132, guys. And then target 2 will be 146. This is going to take you some time. So make sure if you're playing options, guys, you're buying at least 4 weeks out. Okay. If you say, well, that's too much, I can't afford 4 weeks, I'm going to tell you buy 2 weeks and make sure that when you get your profits, okay, once it reaches this area in here and you are green, you sell it and then you buy 2 more weeks, okay? This way you stay fresh in the game and you're buying more time, guys, and you don't miss out on a nice trade. But remember, these trades work out when you do your homework and when you follow instructions, guys, which means make sure you don't forget that this needs to get past this resistance area. Okay. Don't forget, guys, I'm leaving you a link below so that you guys come check us out at the bull ring if you want to see us trade live, if you want to check out charts, anything that we're posting, swings and alerts, guys. Okay. You will have it down below. And remember, don't forget, guys, if you're finding value in these videos, hit that subscribe button and hit the like. It helps the channel out. And we will see you on the next video.